This 2018 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 31R5 double slide, rear king bed is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 5, TV, skylight, self-contained, external shower, slideout, DVD player, air conditioning, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 31R5 double slide, rear king bed is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.